Octogonal blender is an efficient and versatile blending machine for mixing dry herbs, granules, chips homogeneously and is generally used for bulk volume blending. Materials fed from feeding door is effectively blended by rotation of drum and hence the rotation of baffles mounted onto center shaft, after which they are collected out through discharge door. Octagonal blenders find application in Ayurvedic, pharmaceutical and chemical industries. The contact parts of machine is constructed in 304 grade stainless steel, while the frame is constructed in 202 grade stainless steel. The machine is powered by a 10 HP motor coupled to a gearbox.